Howdy Polk Nation, my name's Walker Lockard. Welcome back to Around the Ficus. This is Christopher Taylor, and this is a Ficus. So, Chris, for those of us who don't know, please explain what CEF is.
CEF is an educational opportunity, construction education, that involves everything included with construction, be it electrical, sheetrocking, carpentry, all of it. And it's a way for you to grow not only in your trade, but to expand your knowledge into other trades, as well as learn how to be more of a more enhanced leader.
How did you hear about CEF?
I heard about CEF through Polk Mechanical when I relocated up here to Dallas. They informed me that it would help continue my knowledge that I already had in plumbing, but more so focus on the parts of plumbing that you don't readily experience in the field, such as code and proper installation methods.
What would you tell somebody who's interested in applying at Polk Mechanical?
You're going to be taken care of. Polk Mechanical will treat you as if you are one of their own, that you are part of their family. They're going to give you a good job. They're going to give you more than that, a career, something to take care of you for many years to come, and your family. They're going to give you opportunity for growth, opportunity to learn, and they'll help you along the way, completely and totally.
Chris, thank you so much for joining us on this episode of Around the Ficus.
Thanks for having me. It's been a pleasure.
To hear more stories like Chris Taylor's, be sure to keep your eye out for the next episode of Around the Ficus. We'd also like to hear from you, so leave a comment and tell us what you want to see next.